Hey, so welcome to Fast Futures Options. This is our Stock Ability Market Edge Strategy course that teaches you how to trade options on select futures markets. So if you've ever traded futures before, or you found them a little bit too hard to trade, or they move too fast for you, taking a look at the options market on particular futures products might be for you. So let's kind of talk about what this course is and give you some information. So Fast Futures Options is just that. We're going to teach you how to trade options basically on two markets, West Texas crude oil and S&P futures options. So as with all of our market edge strategy courses, they're typically about 3 hours of on-demand learning. So the way we teach you in the on-demand section is not by the boring typical 1 or 2 hour long video lessons. We break them up into small 2, 4, 5, 10-minute video lessons so you can watch them on breaks, in the morning, evening, whatever fits your schedule. So as with all of our Market Edge strategy courses, you get access to 6 months to retake this course. You can go in, watch it, come back, rewatch it, etc., etc. In addition, you get 2 live webinars that give you the chance to ask questions and to cement what you've learned from watching in the on-demand section. So let me teach you and discuss what you're actually going to learn in the Fast Futures Options strategy course. So number one, we're going to teach you the two markets to trade, West Texas crude oil and S&P futures options. So typically there's a ton of markets you can trade options on, but it's in our opinion better to focus on these two to start. We're going to teach you when to start using the option strategies because not every market scenario is really good for them. There's only certain situations where, in our opinion, you want to put them into action. Number three, we're going to teach you how to trade the futures options markets, bring up real examples, show you how to place the trades, etc., so you can actually see how it all works. Then finally, we're going to teach you the actual fundamentals so you can go in this and actually start to learn to apply this. So again, if you've ever wondered about futures options, you want to learn how to do them, I think you're going to find a lot of value in our Market Edge Strategy course, Fast Futures Options. So hopefully we'll see you on the inside.